friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch and Angel, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started by splitting the paper in half, and we're just going to mirror it on each side. So right in the middle for the nose, we're going to curve this line up, around, tucking that back in on the left. We'll mirror that in the opposite direction. So starting back on this line, kind of blending it in, we're going to curve this out, pulling that back in and through towards the center. Let's draw on the nostrils. So stepping up, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then we'll just color that in black. Let's step across for the, let's do the eyes first. So we're going to come over for Angel first, and we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming out. And then from that edge there, we're just going to curve this line down and back out. For her eyelash, starting on that corner again, we're going to curve this down and back across again. Let's start on the inside corner, pulling this in. We're going to arch this down underneath, pulling this back through on the top. And then again from here, just curving this over and in, connecting that in the top corner. Now let's color this in black. Let's draw on Stitch's eye now. So lining this up at the same height, we're going to make this slightly different. So we're going to curve this up, down, and back through towards the top left. And then again from this point, we're just going to curve this down, up, and back in, connecting that together. And now again, just coloring in our eye black. Now we've drawn both of their eyes, we're going to frame around the eye. So stepping over on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line up, pulling this through and back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. So we're going to start in the corner again, kind of lining this up at the same height, pulling this around, tucking that back in. Now let's frame in the rest of the face. So coming up above the nose, we're going to curve this line around and in. And then underneath, for the mouth, we're going to start underneath, and we're going to come down. We're going to curve this out, down, and then taking that back up beside the eye. We'll do the exact same thing for Angel. And then we're just going to draw in a corner bracket. Now let's come underneath, closing off the chin, curving this in. Let's frame in the top of Stitch's head now. So we're going to come in on the left-hand side, curving this around and through. We're going to draw in his little tuft of hair here on the top. So coming up, we're just going to curve this line in. From that point, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that back down. And then from that corner, curving this up, bringing that back in. Now from here, we're going to round this out, pulling this down. Let's draw on the ear. We're going to step in, we're going to step up. We're going to curve this line out, down, and across towards the edge of our page. And then from that corner, we're just going to tuck this back up, pulling that in, and then back over, ending this on a diagonal. Let's add in the little pattern on the back of Stitch's head here. So we're going to curve this line out and in, bringing that back out, making this smaller, connecting that through to the side. Let's frame in the top of Angel's head now. So we're going to extend this further down. We're going to start on the top, curving this around, pulling that further in. Now from here, we're going to leave a gap, and we're going to come down, curving this through. Let's draw on the ear. So we're going to line this up as best as we can at the same height. We're going to curve this down, around, and through on the side. And then from the edge here, just pulling this back up, tucking that in and bringing that back across. We're going to add in the small detail on the tip of the ear, pulling that over. Let's connect her little antennas here now. So starting on this bottom line, we're going to round this out, curving this through, tucking this in towards the ear. We'll come up again, replicating that on the very top, pulling that down. Let's step up. We're going to replicate that, curving this down. And then we're going to imagine this pulls through, pulling that underneath. Let's move up again. We're going to round this out, curving this around and down, bringing this underneath, curving that in. We're going to kind of flare this out here. So coming underneath, we're going to round this out, pulling this up, tucking this down, and then back in. Now let's draw in their arms. So we're going to start, let's start by kind of framing in the neck here. We're going to curve this down. From here, we're going to arch this line down for the top of the arm. And then let's come up. We're going to curve this around, pulling that in for that first finger. Now in the center, stepping in, we're going to curve this across again. And then we're going to come underneath, rounding this out, curving that through. Let's round out the bottom of the hand. We're going to arch this across again. And then let's round out the elbow, tucking this back in just beside that line. Now let's round out the shoulder. So coming in from that corner, curving that up. Let's draw in the arm underneath. So we're going to kind of draw in that pinky, tucking that in. So we're going to curve this through to the top. And then we're going to pull this back. So we're going to curve this out, down, and in. Again, moving up, just rounding in that second finger, pulling that through. Now let's close off the arm behind. So we're going to step across on this line, curving this around, pulling that back in. Let's close off the head now. So we're just going to arch that through. Now let's come in behind and we're going to curve this out and across towards the ear, just kind of framing in the back there. Let's continue to come down with the body. So we're going to round out the stomach, arching this line in. Let's draw in this bent knee now. So we're going to step down, rounding this out, curving that across. Let's step in on that line, curving that in towards the arm. Let's draw in the feet. So we're going to come over, just closing off that back of the leg first, so then we can frame in the foot. Now we can frame in our foot. So we're going to start from that corner, curving this around, pulling that back in. Stepping in towards the center, let's replicate that. And then let's come across again, rounding this out, pulling that back up. Let's draw in an arch line here in each of the open spaces here for the toe. Let's come in and draw on that back leg. So we're just going to arch this line down. And then we're going to bring this back around, curving that in. Stepping across again, replicating that. And now one more time. Again, like we did on the other foot, just drawing in those little arch lines to finish that off. Now from that corner, rounding out the leg, just pulling that back up. And then we're just going to add in their little tails, just curving a small line that comes through towards the ear. And then now from here, we're going to draw in a nice big heart coming in behind. It's kind of coming up in the middle here for the center of the heart. Let's just draw in a little dot. And then we'll come down, lining this up as best as we can at the same height, doing the same thing on the bottom. We can use a ruler to do this, so it makes it a little easier to make sure that center is good. Now from that dot on the top, we're going to round this out on the left-hand side, curving this around, tucking this in to the side of the head. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, pulling this back through. And now coming underneath from the center here, we're just going to curve this up on a diagonal, doing the exact same thing on the left-hand side, tucking that into the arm. And that is it. That's how you draw Lilo and Angel from Lilo and Stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.